Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.6 question number 1. Find 0.2 into 6. Your question 1 is question number 1, that is now question 1 is this is question number 1. Find 0.2 into 6, that is 0.2 here of this one, right? Now let us write once again, that is 0.2 into 6. How you multiply this one? First multiply the numbers, that is 6 to the 12, right? And here you see the point is given after one digit. Therefore, you have to give the point after one digit. This is 12, that is 1.2, right? Now, number 2 is 8 into 4.6. 4.6. And multiply it, that is 4.6. You have to multiply it with 8. That is 6 is 48, 4. This is 8. 4 is 32, 32 plus 4, that is 36. The point is see here, after one digit there is point, so we have to give after one digit there is a point, that is 36.8. That will be 36.8. Question number 3 is 2.71 into 5. That it comes to multiply 2.71 multiplied by 5. That is 5 on 5. 5 is 35. 3 here carry. It is 5. 5 is 10 plus 3, 13. Here you see the point is after 2 digits, right? After 2 digits the point. Therefore, you have to give the point after 2 digits. That is 1, 2 here. The answer will be 13.55. 13.55. Now question number 4 is 20.1 into 4. That will be equal to 20.1 to multiply it by 4. That is 4 on 4, 4 0 0, 4 2 8. And here you see the point is after one digit in the left side. So we give the point after one digit, that is 4.4, 80.4. Therefore, it will be 80.4. 80.4. Now, question number 5 is 0.05 into 7. Right? Here we multiply 0.05 by 7. 5 7 35. 700. Now here you see the point is on the left side after 2 digit 1 2. That will give the point after 2 digit on the left side 1 2. That is 0.35. 0.35. This is question number 5. Now question number 6 is 211.02 into 4, right? Here we are multiplying this one, that is 211.02 into 4, that is 4 2 is 8, 4 0 0, 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, and 4 2 is 8. Here you see that the point is after 2 digit on the left side, 1 2. Therefore you have to give the point on the left side after 2 digit, that is 1 2, right? That is 844. 844.08 is the answer. Now question number 7 is, here you see question number 7, 5 6 7. Question number 7 is 2 into 0.86 and multiply it, that is 0.86 into 2, that is 2 6 is 12, carry 1, here 2, 8 is 16 plus 1 17. Here you see the point is after 2 digit on the left side, 1 2. Therefore to give the point after 2 digits, 1 2, that is 1.72, that is gives to 1.72, 1.72, right? This is the solution of question number 1 of exercise 2.6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.